Today we're making a super cute and fragrant DIY air freshener for Valentine's Day. We're combining sublimation with felt. I used 2 sheets of felt, red and white. The white will be perfect for sublimation. I also used inexpensive transfer tape. This is to help adhere the felt sheet to your cutting mat. This ensures better adhesion, resulting in cleaner cuts and preventing felt dust from accumulating on your mat, which can reduce its stickiness. For convenience, I've saved felt as a frequently used material. However, if you don't use felt very often, you can always choose it from the list of available materials. You can also adjust the settings here. These are the settings that worked well for me. Feel free to use them as a starting point. Now follow the instructions for your machine and cut the felt. Look closely at how the cut lines are defined on the felt. Look closely at how the cut lines are defined on the felt. While the CRICUT is cutting the felt, we can print the sublimation file. Remember to mirror the file before printing. Also, allow your heat press to preheat to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Just a little extra insurance here. I'm using painter's tape to keep the felt from wiggling around while the CRICUT does its magic. This way, we'll get nice, smooth cuts every time. Now let's carefully remove the felt from the mat. Then peel off the transfer tape. See how beautifully the CRICUT cut through the felt. Nice and clean. Just as I discussed at the beginning, I chose white felt for the best sublimation results. To keep the printed paper in place while pressing, I used some handy purple painter's tape. I press the felt for 40 seconds. To protect my heat press from ink transfer, I use butcher paper during the sublimation process. This way, any excess ink will adhere to the butcher paper instead of the press plate. Look at that! The colors are so bright and vibrant. I love it! Use your own perfume. This adds a special touch, allowing your loved one to enjoy your fragrance. Or use their favorite fragrance oil. Important: always apply the perfume or fragrance oil to the back of the felt heart, not the sublimated side. Applying it to the front may stain or damage the printed image. I used a needle to attach the cord and beads. Get creative and add your own unique touch by using different beads and ribbons. For this step, I'm using regular craft glue to attach the sublimated felt to the base layer of felt. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you've learned something new about working with felt. I encourage you to experiment and discover the many possibilities this versatile material offers. And there you have it, a super cute and fragrant DIY air freshener perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you loved making this as much as I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty goodness. I'd love to see your creations. Share your finished air fresheners in the comments below. Happy crafting and happy Valentine's Day!